Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's subject is how to do crochet work, how to use crochet and how do a work, chain, flower, etc. This is crochet. This is number 10. I'm using number 10 scissor and yarn or wool. So I want to explain how to start crochet a beginner who doing it first time. I'm using both colors, 2 yarns together. Firstly, take a yarn, make a knot, very simple. Then yarn, turn and put inside, and then okay, and now this crochet, and this yarn just turn your index finger this way, loose, it's loose, not it is tight, it's loose, because take it with the crochet and turn inside the chain, then pull it with both fingers, then just follow my index finger. This yarn always should be straight like this, then this is the chain, it should be loose, not tight. Then your left turn, not right turn, crochet left turn and pull it inside the chain. Again loose, not too much tight. Then turn it, turn back and pull it inside the chain. Again I'm start. Okay, next again make a knot, put it inside this way. Okay, this is for beginner, and turn your index finger the yarn and make it tight, straight. Okay, this straight, and turn left side and pull it inside the chain, pull it inside the chain, then straight this way, you can see the chain, it's very easy. Straight, always you should straight your index finger straight and pull it inside the chain, then pull it inside the chain, then once again this way. If you want, you can make a flower or round shape chain, just put it just inside the chain and then stretch your yarn again just inside the chain. This is the yarn and turn inside the chain. Okay, then turn back, just turn back and this is round, make a round shape, then once again you can see, then put it inside the chain and then turn back the yarn and again same thing, repeat, put it and turn back the yarn then again again then cut it, the extra yarn we should cut. You can see this is a round shape chain. Then you can see this round shape chain. If you want, you can repeat, it will round and round. Okay, this is the first step. You can repeat, it's round figure, make 3 chain and then repeat inside the chain and get back and push it. You can see the chain this way, number 1 chain, number 2 chain, number 3 chain, then inside the crochet this way and turn inside 3 chains together, 3 chains together, this way. You can see the chain circular, then again 1, 2 and then 3. Same thing, repeat, push it inside the chain. You can see this is the chain, 1, 2, inside, come back, 3 chain, 1 chain together. So you can see the chain. Okay, now I start with 2 yarn. This is a single 1 yarn, two yarn together, 2 color, together. This way you can make a design. This is a knot, and turn the yarn and then start. Turn left turn the crochet and get back the outside the yarn inside the knot. You can see the chain. You can see the chain. So I am doing first thing, make a knot, then turn the yarn inside the index finger, then turn left and take the yarn and turn back inside the knot. You can see the chain with two yarn together, then again again again. So repeated chain I am doing here. If you want, you can progress is this side or this side. Put the crochet inside the chain and get back, and both yarn pull together inside the chain. Then okay, make a chain and then again inside the crochet the chain and get back again, make a knot again and then this way. So you can use your chain as you wish, circular or square, whatever. Undid it's circular. If you want, you can repeat circularly. Also undid this one by Jute. This is a Jute. Undid this chain by Jute yarn. Same thing, same thing. Make a yarn and left turn and pull inside the chain this way. And always one thing we should keep in our mind, the index finger yarn should be straight. Make a knot, left turn, get back inside the chain. Always we should straight the yarn. If you want to this chain make a circularly, then end of the chain you can do one thing. Just this is the end of the chain. You can this knot and this knot both together and Okay, then you can make a knot. Then it is it's like a round figure chain. This is, and this is, as your wish. If you have any questions and queries, please put the comment box.